Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. Today I have a walkthrough of one of my cards that I received after returning home. We went and picked up all of our mail. And at the end of the video I'll have a picture of a blue version of this card. Libby sent this to me. And I chose to do a quick video of this because it is all current Stampin' Up! Products with some retiring items that I will make note of for you to consider. And I also really love one of the techniques she used on this card. So if you look carefully at the background, which is a dry embossed background, you'll see that it has, looks like just sponging of a darker Mango Melody, but it is actually, she inked up the embossing folder so it's tone on tone. Mango Melody ink on Mango Melody cardstock. And this particular dry embossing folder will be on the supplies list, and it is not retiring. The paper, the DSP behind the floral die cut, is Artistry Blooms. That is retiring. The last you can buy it is on May 4th or while supplies last. The punch is carrying over. I'm going to confirm that right now. It is the Everyday Label Punch. And it is officially carrying over. The 1/4 inch crinkle ribbon is carrying over, which makes me very glad. I'm out of it, so I will be placing an order for more. The Happy Easter is from Itty Bitty Greetings, and it is not carrying over. I did make one change on this card, and I hope Libby's okay with it. The first thing I did when I saw it was, oh my goodness, I must add a whole bunch of rhinestones to this. So all of these rhinestones I added. It just really begged to have some bling on it. And the white is now basic white. I am in the middle of my testing of basic white video series. So this is going to be popped in between those as just a short walk through, and I still will be doing more on the basic white compared to whisper white. That's all I got. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, either on my blog or here on the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the button, and thanks for watching.